In this video, I'm going to show you how to send a mass email in HubSpot. Now to do this, first you want to go to over here on the left and you want to go to marketing and click on email. From here, of course, we're going to create a new email which we're going to mass send. So go to the top right, click on create email. And then here you want to select whichever one you want. I'm going to go with regular because I'm sending to a list of contacts. And then from here, you want to pick a template, or of course, just go with a scratch one. So with a custom one, I'm actually just going to pick a random one. For example, this one, I'm going to use the template. And of course, when you have your email built out, which I do have a separate video teaching you how to build your email, you can then go ahead and mass send it the following way. You want to go and hit this send to button up top, so over here. And when you do so here, it's going to allow you to basically select who you are sending to. The audience over here in this list must be the people you're trying to mass send this email to. So I'm actually going to go, and where it says how will you send this email, I'm actually going to go and click to a segment of contacts. Subscription type is going to be marketing information, and then I'm going to send to, as you can see I have some segments, but I'm actually just going to pick people manually like this, and there we go. As you can see, they're getting added to my list, and these are the people I will now mass send to this email, okay? So there's 3 of them. If you want to exclude some people, you want to put them down here, and when you're ready, make sure everyone is in here, and then up here as well, you want to add your subject line, the preview, and of course all the content, and then just click on review and send top right. If you have any warnings, make sure you actually do fix those, and you'll be able to send your mass email once you've done all that by hitting this button in the top right, and it's gonna mass send to all these people inside the send to section. So that's really it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.